Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to use TI-84 calculator in introductory statistics class. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use TI-84 calculator to find the measure of central tendencies like mean and median. First example, find the mean and median for the following set of data using TI-84 calculator. So here the individual series is given and we are asked to find the mean denoted by x bar and median, which is written as MED. Here we have the quick steps. What we have to do is, the first one is to enter the data in list 1. In order to enter the data in list 1, we go to stat and then number 1, under edit number 1, and you'll see the list. If you see any data there, first you clear those. In order to clear, what you have to do is you have to highlight the heading of the particular list and then clear, hit clear and then enter. So once you go to list 1, we enter the data in list 1. So we have 18, 19, 17, 18, 16, 20, and then 18. So we have all data values here: 18, 19, 17, 18, 16, 20, and 18. So that is the first step. We enter the data in list 1. So after we enter the data in list 1, we go to stat. Here is your stat. And then we go to calculate, which is the second one here, by pressing this right arrow. And under the calculation, we go to one variable statistics. So one variable statistics and then enter. And make sure in list 1, you have L1. That is, this list of data is in list 1. We don't have frequency, so we leave it blank. We go to calculate and then hit enter. So after you hit enter, you can see your mean. Mean is 18 and the median should be down here. So if you go down by pressing this down arrow, then we'll see the median. Median is also 18. Mean is 18 and also the median is 18 for this data. So this is how we can find the mean and median of individual data series using TI-84 calculator. Second example, find the mean and median for the following set of data using TI-84 calculator. So in this case, we have a group data, that is the gas mileage is given and the frequency is given, that is the number of cars is given. We have to find the mean and the median for this data set. So here we have the quick steps. First, we have to enter the data values. So these gas mileage or X values in list 1 and frequency in list 2. So we go to stat and under edit number 1. In list 1, we plug in the X values or mileage, and in list 2, we enter the frequency. Now after we enter the data in the calculator, we go to stat and then we go to calculate here and we go to one variable stat. And over here, the X values are in list 1. We have the frequency and we enter this frequency in list 2. So list 2 is under 2 here. So we press second and then 2 to enter that list 2. So that's the meaning of that, list 1, and then we have a list 2 and we hit calculate. So by doing that, we get the mean, which is 36.167, and the median, if you go down here, 36. This is how we can find the mean and the median of the group data where the X values and frequencies are given. Third example, find the mean and the median for the following set of data using TI-84 calculator. Here we have the group frequency table but in this case we have the class. So how we can find the mean and the median for the group data like this one using TI-84 calculator? First, what we do is, in our TI-84 calculator, we enter the data in list 1, but while entering the data in list 1, we don't enter the class like this. Instead, we enter the mid values in list 1. So we go to Stat, then under Edit number 1, and here we have to enter the mid value. For example, if I want to find the mid value of this, what I can do is directly over here, I can type open parenthesis 127 plus 161, close the parenthesis, and then divide that by 2. That is the midpoint. So whenever you want to find the midpoint of the class, we add the lower limit, we add the upper limit, and divide by 2. Now if we enter, we have that value 144. For the next class, we have 162 plus 196. We close the parenthesis, and then we divide by 2, and then enter. And we continue like this. Once we enter the mid values of these class in list 1, then we enter the frequency in list 2. So we go to list 2 and enter the frequency, which is 7, 6, 3, 3, and then 1. So we enter the data in the calculator. Now we have to go to Stat and then calculate, Stat, and then calculate, and after that one variable is Stat, which is number 1 there, and enter. And over here, make sure in list 1 or under the list we have list 1, that is the midpoint. Frequency we enter in list 2, then hit calculate. So after you calculate, you will see your mean here, which is 187.75, and if we hit this down arrow, the median is 179. So this is how we can find the mean and median of the group data involving the class intervals like this one. So in this video, we learn how to find the mean and median of various type of data set given using TI-84 calculator. I hope this is useful. Thank you so much for watching.